In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in GoToMeeting. Screen sharing can be an incredibly useful tool, whether you're hosting a virtual meeting, giving a presentation, or collaborating on a project. Let's dive right in and explore how to do this step by step. To start sharing your screen, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the Share button on the GoToMeeting toolbar. Once you've found it, simply click on it to bring up a menu of options. Here, you'll be given the choice to select either a specific screen or an application window you'd like to share. After making your selection, go ahead and click Share again to begin the process. As soon as you click Share, you'll notice a preview window popping up. This preview gives you a useful overview and allows you to customize a few important settings before your audience sees your screen. One option you might consider is to include media sound. It's important to note that this feature is available only if you're using a browser or a Windows desktop. Including GoTo's interface can also be enabled depending on your needs. Furthermore, there is an option to optimize for video. This setting is particularly helpful when you want to keep the frame rate up, but keep in mind that it might slightly reduce the resolution of your shared content. If you'd like to add a more personal touch to your presentation, you can overlay your camera onto the shared screen. To do this, simply turn on your camera, click the arrow next to the camera icon, and select Add Camera to the shared screen. This allows your attendees to see you alongside your shared content, providing a more interactive experience. You can adjust the size of the camera overlay, small, medium, or large, and position it in any corner of the screen. It's a neat feature that allows your audience to personalize their view as well. During your session, you may need to pause your screen sharing for various reasons. To do this, click the arrow beside the Share button, and you'll see options to either pause sharing or resume sharing. This feature can be incredibly handy if you need to take a break or manage content in between sharing. Lastly, if you find that you need to show something different than you initially planned, there's no need to worry. Simply click New next to the preview window, and you'll be able to swap screens or switch to a different application effortlessly. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're all set to effectively share your screen in GoToMeeting. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be screen sharing like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.